Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. With great marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to create a beautiful online presence. Hello, and welcome to a brand new video. I got a new lens. If you're like, why does Maggie's video look different? I got a new lens. Let me know if you like the quality. It's a 30mm Sigma 1.4, if anyone's curious. This is going to be a how I prepare shop updates video. I get my store ready for opening in 2 days. My process is quite straightforward. So in this video, we're gonna count inventory. We're gonna take product pictures, which is a fun time. I make some of the marketing images for Instagram for like a fun carousel post. So I show you guys how I do that. I show you how I edit photos as well. Let's get into the video. Socks are here, so thank you, Robert. Let's unbox. This box has been through it. This box went to Japan. Oh my god! Oh my god, they're so cute!
How does it look on the inside? Oh, there's another one on the other side too.
Yeah, I double printed them.
Nice, nice.
I think I went off.
Yeah, cute. You want to see the other pair too? Is this one too? Okay, so this one doesn't have a backside.
Yeah, I just skipped it.
Okay.
Cute. Me too. Me too. RGB. I really like this lens actually. Mall.
That's small. Small.
Is that what? What, guys?
Okay, I'm gonna try to take photos. It's dark in here, but I'm gonna have to make it work. So let's just do it. All the things I'm taking photos of, I need to photograph my new t-shirts, which actually I haven't shown you yet, so I'll show you right now. Here are the shirts. I need to photograph my enamel pins. These were also a big hit at Mocha, which I was very, very happy about because I was worried these wouldn't really sell. Lastly are my socks. These are the ones I'm kind of nervous about photographing. Here's what they look like. These ones have the cat printed on both sides of the sock. These ones, the sleepy cat ones, they're only on one side. So just be aware of that. So they'll only be on like the left. So when you're walking like this, You'll see. But they're really cute. I was really upset when I saw that most of this week would be rainy, but my new lens did great at capturing all my product photos just because it did really well in low light, so I'm super happy I invested in the lens. The bigger challenge came when I didn't know how to photograph myself wearing socks. Robert was busy, he's also not the best at taking pictures, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do this myself. So I took my little piece of paper I used to photograph ceramics, strapped on some sandals. I downloaded an app that allows me to control my camera through Wi-Fi. It was so laggy, but it worked, and I'm really happy with the photos. And then for my t-shirt, I just decided to like model it myself and then screenshot the footage. Yeah. Okay, we are now inside my computer. I use Adobe Lightroom. I don't really have a specific formula or process. I pretty much just go in and fiddle with the controls until it looks right to me. So yeah, I like to touch these like exposure buttons in the corner. Sometimes turning contrast down can help make a photo look a little softer. So sometimes I'll push contrast down a little bit. I'll mess with the shadows and then the white balance. But yeah, there's no formula I use specifically. I do find that a lot of the photos in this room in particular turn very green. Or maybe it's my camera, I don't know. So I do like to give a little bit of a pink tint and a little bit of a blue tint. And then I'll change the saturation just a tiny bit. I don't like to oversaturate it because then I don't want the product to look unlike what it does in real life. Recently I've been playing around with masks on Lightroom. I can try to let it detect the background, and it does a pretty good job. It missed this area right here, so I can actually go in. Okay, and then we'll move down. I can basically only edit that part of the photo, so if I make the exposure really high, it does that without impacting the actual product, which I think is kind of cool, and I think that might give my website kind of a fun little look. So I guess I can show you some of the photos I took. I tried to pin it on like a bag, and I think it's cute. Like, I really like these photos. Just raise the exposure, the brightness, of course. Maybe lower the contrast a little. I don't like to mess with the highlights and shadows too much. I already feel like this would be a good carousel picture for Instagram, and I can just write something up here. I'm actually so proud of these photos. Like, you guys saw how I took them. It was pretty ridiculous. Of a setup, but you know, I feel like I went from, you know, this to this. I feel like the photos came out like pretty good considering my setup and that I just did it by myself. I never really wanted to see my leg pores so up close, but you know, it is what it is. Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. You guys know by now, Squarespace can help you build a really great website. Any possible reason you could need a website, Squarespace has you covered. Their templates are just so nice. I cannot stress this enough. They're just really beautiful and easy to customize. It takes so much of the hard work out of making a website because their templates just come super beautiful. You plug your own info, you plug your own work in, and boom, you have a wonderful website. You can also customize it too. You can add in your own images. You can customize how many columns, the spacing, all that stuff. And I just find it super easy to use, and I love Squarespace. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Megan Wang for 10% off your first purchase. Thank you so much, Squarespace, and let's get back to the video. Okay, so today is day 2. I made a lot of good progress yesterday. I pretty much took all of my product photos except for the Rezo print that has yet to come in, which I should probably check up on. So all the pictures are done. They're all edited. I made pretty much all the listings as well. I like put in all the weights and stuff. I will have to go in and double check all of my shipping settings. Those always get kind of tricky. And yeah, sometimes it gets a little buggy, so I have to go in and double check that those are correct. But today my main goal is to get all of the inventory done and to sort all my t-shirts. I brought all those shirts to Mocha, and then leaving Mocha was like so chaotic. So I just like threw everything in my suitcase, put them in like these cardboard boxes super haphazardly. I have no idea how many of each size I have, so I need to go through those. I also want to make all of the images for Instagram today. That will be nice. So I just have those ready. when I prepare these images for Instagram, I can get so perfectionist with it. And then I'm like never satisfied. I just work on it way too long. So this is the first image. It's gonna be like the intro image. New socks. It's the t-shirt one. It's the last image.
Installing 8 bars of copper in the process. Day 7 was spent wood cutting. I hit the iron floors at 11 a.m. and
Rover.
60 iron ore. Day 11 is to craft 30 sprinklers by the 13th spring. Then foraging for sandberries. Watch my 39 tips video. You know.
Garbage for community center. Mostly fishing and scaring up the Starry Valley with the community. 8:31 I finished a boiler room, which was a community.
Finished dark matter.
Thoughts?
Huh?
And you're like, it's the worst effing book I've ever read in my life.
It wasn't a bad book. I just never felt like in suspense of what was gonna happen next, or like all too interested in what was gonna happen next.
Yeah, it's kind of the worst.
It's like I don't need a surprise, but it would be nice to like, you know, like I like Severance more. You know, I didn't know.
Yeah, there was a little bit of suspense there.
It was funny though. It was funny to experience the book. You know. It's just funny that it was supposed like that. I feel like maybe if I was in high school, I would have enjoyed it
Whoa.
like a lot more. You know.
Like maybe if my brain wasn't fully developed, I would have loved this. So I think I'm done with work for the day. Feels good. I got a lot of stuff done. So you saw me. I sorted all my t-shirts, which took a while, counted all my socks and sorted them, did all of my inventory, which feels really good to get that out of the way. I also finalized how my shop is going to look, and I made this, I guess, spot illustration that I'm really, really happy with. I think it's really fun, and I guess I'm pretty much done. I also double checked all my shipping things were correct, because I've had a lot of issues with overcharging on shipping just because of my settings being wrong. So I also did that. So all of my packaging supplies, I have everything I need. I don't think I've showed you these yet. They look like this. They're so cute. And that's the back. So yeah, I'm pretty much done. I have nothing left to do. I could technically open my store tomorrow if I wanted to. So yeah, we finished all the stuff on our shop opening to-do list. By the time this video comes out, I do think the shop will be open, so please check it out. I have so many fun new products. I got my new t-shirts, I got my new socks, I got a new print. Bye! My friend, she invited me to this event called Bob Baker Day. It's a day that celebrates Bob Baker and his marionette theater. It's a theater in Los Angeles that just does marionette shows, and it's actually like a historic thing, and it's really, really cool. The thing is though, I am really terrified of puppets, so that was an experience. I thought these dogs were cute though, and the event was super fun. But yeah, I've never been to like a marionette show. I was only a little bit scared. After that event, she and I went to this kitten adoption event. I'm obviously not trying to adopt another kitten, but I just tagged along and I saw these little kitties and it was so, so sweet. I've actually never seen in person a kitten so young, and they were just all such adorable little angels. And I'm obviously not gonna adopt another cat. I have two is enough right now, but my God, did these little guys tempt me. I know kittens do a lot better in pairs too, so I'm like, I do not have space for another set of 2 cats, but this one's literally the size of my hand. Like, they were so little. They look bigger on camera, but they are so itty bitty. I also met this little kitten who was named Voodoo. She was this she was this brown tabby.
You want my buttons?
Why are you yelling, me, sir? What? It's clean. It's scooped. What? Robert, what are you doing in here? Mister?
Okay, so that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to my patrons. Thank you to you for watching this. Please give this video a like and subscribe. If you made it to the end, you should probably subscribe. A lot of you who watch my videos aren't subscribed, so press the button, please. I typically don't ask, but now I'm like, I wonder what will happen if I do ask, so that's why I'm asking for you to engage. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and I will see you super soon in my next one.